Welcome everyone. In this video, we will solve a GET 2020 EC equation in which we have to find the value of I naught, which is coming from the open output. So in this question, the given thing is VI, which is 2 volt, okay, which is given, and we are giving this input at the non-inverting terminal. So we have to find out the value of I naught, how much I naught current is flowing. So the simplest way to solve this question, if we know which type of configuration is this one, we can directly write the output. Yes or no? We can directly write the output. So for example, this one is V naught. Okay. So this one is nothing but simply a non-inverting non-inverting op-amp. Non-inverting op-amp amplifier, okay, or simply we can say non-inverting amplifier. So directly we can write the value of V naught. So this V naught is nothing but simply 1 plus RF by R1 into VI. Okay, so for example I am saying this one is a RF resistance and this one is R1. Okay, so one can directly write this formula if we have remembered this one. So we can write the output as 1 plus 1 by 1, both are 1 kilo ohm, so kilo kilo cancel, and Vi is 2, so it should be 1 plus 1, 2 into 2, so it should be 4 volt. So V naught is 4 volt, so we can write like V naught 4 volt. Now we have to find this I naught, and due to virtual ground concept we can say this voltage will be 2 volt. Yes or no? So now we can say this current is say somehow we can say this one is say I1, okay, and this one is I2. Okay, so we have to find the value of I naught, which is basically I1 plus I2. Total incoming current equals to total outgoing. Simple Kirchhoff's law, Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, so now we can find this value of I1 very easily, because if there is a resistance, okay, and say some potential is VA and VB, and some resistance is there and some current is flowing from this say side, so this I is nothing but simply VA minus VB by R, higher potential minus lower potential by resistance value. So simply we can write the value of I1. So I am writing the value of I1. Okay, so I1 can be written as V naught minus 2, okay, divided by RF. So we can directly write V naught is 4 volt, so 4 minus 2 by, it should be 1 kilo ohm, so it should be 2 milliampere. So we can easily say this value will be 2 milliampere. V naught minus 2 volt by this one. Similarly I2 we can write V naught minus 0 by 1 kilo ohm. Directly I am writing, so it should be 4 minus 0 4 by 1 kilo ohm, so it should be 4 milliampere. So this current will be I2 will be 4 milliampere. Simple concept. Okay, KCL we have to apply. Okay, so we can say I naught value will be I1 plus I2, so 2 plus 4, okay, so it should be 6 milliampere. So this one is the one of the way to solve. Okay, this one is a 6 milliampere. Okay, 6 milliamperes. Okay, 6 milliampere is the answer. Clear this one? Okay, one another way, suppose we don't know the formula, so in such question how to proceed. For example, this current, due to virtual current concept, this current will be 0, Okay, there will be zero current. So this I1 will be same as that of this I1. Yes or no? And for the time being, I am saying this one is V naught voltage. So we can write I1. So V naught minus 2, okay, 2 volt by RF equals to 2 minus 0 by R1. Simple concept. Okay, means this one is the one resistance. This voltage is 2 volt. Okay, and this another resistance is 1 kilo ohm. This one is 1 kilo ohm, and this is connected to output. So this current is same as that of this one. Okay, because I know this current will be at the inverting input, there will be zero current. So we can write like that. So we can say this V naught minus 2, RF is 1, and 2 by R1 is also 1, 1 1 cancel. So we can say V naught equals to 4 volt. Okay, so this one is the another way to find the V naught. If we know the value of V naught, directly we can find this current I1 and I2. So in this way we can solve. So one of the easiest way to find the output voltage is the formula first. If we know the formula, we can directly write the expression, or we can go through that manner. Okay, we know the output voltage. So this current and this current will be same I. So we can write like that. So it will give the same value. V naught equals to 4 volts. Okay, we are using the virtual current concept. So inverting input current will be 0. So we can write like that. Then after that we have to find this uh, current I1 V naught minus 2, okay, 2 volt, this 2 volt by RF, and I2 V naught minus 0. Simple KVL, sorry, KCL we are applying. So it should be 2 milliampere, should be 4 milliampere. This one is the concept. If R1 resistance, VA minus VB, so I current VA minus VB. So I naught I1 plus I2, so it should be 6 milliampere. So we are just, and at this point we are using KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. So we can directly say this current through this I naught or source by the op amp will be 6 milliampere. So this current is nothing but simply our 6 milliampere. I am writing here 6 milliampere. Okay, so this one is one of the question. So thank you for watching.